Hey everyone, my name is Whitney and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing the Kylie bronzer stick. So we have the baby pink and Kylie written in shiny reflective silver. Oh my gosh, you guys know what? I did not get a thank you for choosing these products card. Can you believe that? What the heck? I just realized that. Better get two in my next one, Kylie. Just kidding. I actually really like the way this looks. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be. So we also have the baby pink and Kylie written in shiny silver reflective lettering. And I got the shade okay. It's sweating. It smells weird. But this bronzer stick was originally in the Kendall collection. That's weird, right? We're just gonna twist this up. Okay, it's, oh my God. This is real, oh wow, that's so freaking weird. It's sweating all over. Look at that. I just opened this. And there are little beads of sweat all over it. What the heck? Have any of you guys noticed this? I honestly don't know what to do, guys. And it really smells icky. Like, it doesn't... It smells like... I don't know. This smell, it's maybe musty? I don't know. Every time I smell this scent, this type of scent, or I wouldn't even call it a scent, I'd just say a smell. For some reason I think of rust, but it doesn't smell like rust. Okay, I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and message them or post on Twitter or something and see if anybody else has the same issues. I will say one thing about putting the cap back on is I have to line it up. Also, you don't know what color it is. You have to look at the bottom, and this is in the shade bronze, light medium. Okay, so let's try this again. So I went ahead and emailed Kylie Cosmetics customer service, and with that I told them that I was having issues with it and that it just didn't seem like the standard Kylie product or to have the quality of Kylie's normal products. It didn't smell right and it was sweating, and so I sent some pictures along with that, and I have a charger. Yes! So I sent some pictures along with that. They went ahead and sent me a new one. So let's see. And they didn't charge me for shipping. I didn't have to send the other one back, so that was nice. Well, thank you, Kylie Cosmetics, for going ahead and sending me a brand new one. I really appreciate that, and that is awesome customer service. Let's open this baby on up. You can see some fingerprints or something on the Kylie. That's kind of weird, but not that big of a deal. Okay, so let's check this on out. Okay, it does smell a little weird, but it's not sweaty like the first one. All right, so first off, the first one that I ordered has a lot stronger of a scent. They do kind of have the same scent, but this one isn't nearly as strong. I still don't think they're exactly supposed to smell like this, but yeah, I probably won't be using this other one just because it does have a lot stronger of a scent and those sweat beads all over it. So, you know how oftentimes they have issues in the lab or it's a bad batch or something. That's what I think happened to these, especially that other one. I'm really excited to try this bronzer stick. It is bronze light medium. Now, this is the one from the Kendall collection. Well, it's not the one exactly, but it's the shade from the Kendall collection. I'm kind of I don't know, guys. I'm just like, okay, let's try it. This is so strange. I've only ever worked with a brush. Ooh. Okay. Wait. I went a lot a bit too high. Okay, so I like to go around here just a little bit. And the reason I do that is just because, see, I just want that little bit of like a shadowy, don't like it. I just want that. I look hilarious. I just see, like, when I smile, this just brings out the apples of my cheeks, makes them more prominent. So instead of just going straight down, I kind of curve it. This is very, very creamy. It's very smooth. It feels really nice and luxurious, but I feel like it probably wouldn't last that long just because it is so creamy. I'm actually interested in knowing exactly like how, if it would melt or whatever in the sun. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my beauty blender. So far, it actually is blending very nicely. Boys. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got way too much on there, but I do like this color because it is a cooler tone. If you have a cool undertone, like that's pink, these shades look a lot better, I feel like. Dang. A little bit, it did pick up my foundation just in this certain area. Right around there. But other than that, I don't feel like it did. I feel like it actually is doing an amazing job, honestly. This is really cool. Sorry about the sun, you guys. You know, I just can't control it. I used to be able to control the weather, but I can't anymore. It's not picking up the foundation over here. It's a lot darker than I thought it would be. So I'm pretty fair-skinned. I use Cover FX foundation in the shade P10, the lightest color. So if that gives you any indication as to how dark this would be on your skin tone or how light it would be. Okay, so this is really good actually, but I don't know if I would want to use this over an actual bronzer with a brush, just because this is a lot of motion I've got going on with my hand here. And maybe that's just because I put way too much on, I don't know. For those of you who are wondering, I'm wearing the Kylie Lip Blush Lip Kit in the shade Do You Boo. Okay, so that's not looking too bad. That's looking bad. It took so much longer than just normally using the brush. The pressed powdered bronzer, to me this is more like a contouring stick rather than a bronzer. Okay, let me go ahead and put some blush and some highlight on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so what do you guys think? I kind of like it, actually. It really does take a long time. I do actually really like it. If it didn't take so long, like I said, we're gonna try the brush. So if you wanna know how it works with the brush, then keep watching. So I've actually decided to do two different things. I am going to take the right side of my face and I'm going to use the brush, and then I am going to use the left side of my face. I'm going to take the bronzer and apply my foundation and blend those both in at the same time and see how that works. I'm trying not to apply as much as I did the other time. So I'm taking my F04 from Sigma Beauty and I'm using it to blend. Okay, so before I show you this side, we're gonna go ahead and do this side and then we'll compare the two. Okay, see, I feel like the Beauty Blender doesn't blend it out all the way, and I feel like you can still really see that line. I think the brush does a much better job. Surprisingly, the brush did not pick up any of my foundation, which is really weird because normally it does that. All right, so I wanted to show you guys, here's the bronzer stick blended out. And here we have Khaki, and then here we have Toasty. And these are both in the pressed powdered formulas, just so that you guys can get an idea of what they look like compared to one another. Okay, so just after the 2 days, it didn't really use up too much product. So my final thoughts on the bronzer stick. Well, I do prefer my pressed powder bronzers. I just think they're a lot easier to work with, a lot quicker. I don't want to go in with my hands all the time. And I think going in with my brush and blending the bronzer stick out really did save a lot of time. And I kind of like that, but I don't know. I've been using the pressed powders for so long that I feel like maybe I would just reach for the pressed powders more because they're quick and easy. And like I said, I haven't been using this one as long. But I do think if you're more on the dry side, I think that this would be really good to have for bronzer or contouring, just because it is a cream. I just had a thought, actually. I think when I have time, I might just actually start using both the bronzer stick and the powdered bronzers, because this one is more cooler toned, and as you can see, the other ones are far more warm toned. Yeah, I just feel like with a cooler undertone, I think like a cool bronzer is better, which I know that sounds weird because it's bronzer. It's supposed to be like the sun-kissed look, but I think it should have, for cooler undertones, I think it should have more of a cool tone versus, you know, the warm tone. I think if they add a little bit more cool, then that'd be fine. So I'll see how that works. Otherwise, yeah, I do think this I would use more as a contouring stick. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I appreciate all of you so very much. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year, so go ahead and share this video with your whoever, your boyfriend, your cat, your dog. Make sure they subscribe to my channel too. If you don't like it, go ahead and let me know. Go ahead, that's what the dislike button's for. You like it, give it a thumbs up. Thank you to all of my current subscribers. You guys are just really awesome. You really are. And I appreciate you all so, so very much. Later, freaks. Hi, Felix. What is on your nose? What did you get into? I don't know how long I had lipstick on my teeth. Ooh, actually, I kind of dig this. Because it'll be a different day, but boys, stop it! Everybody's gonna know how naughty you're being, Felix. Hey, no, let's be nice, kitties. And then, hey, that's my beauty blender. It's not a toy, Felix. Hey, don't eat that. Hey, stop. Stop. Here, say hi to everybody. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, Felix. Well, you want to be in here and you keep playing with everything that's not a toy. Felix. That's not a... He's playing with the microphone stand. The stand, yeah. Boys, stop it. You are new here. Welcome as well. No, stop it, boys. Oh, and for those of you who are wondering, I'm wearing the lip shade. And this is the shade from the Kendall collection, which is Nude Attitude. No, it's not Nude Attitude. It is, Runway. I can't think of the exact name.